Poland showcased one of the South Korean FA-50 fighter jets it has acquired at a military base in the suburbs of Warsaw on August 21st. The aircraft will contribute to the modernization of Poland's Air Force fleet, which currently includes both Soviet and post-Soviet fighter jets. Airplanes from the Western world are superior to post-Soviet aircraft, Polish Defense Minister Mariusz Błaszczak said during the presentation of the FA-50. 2 FA-50s have already been delivered to Poland, with 10 more scheduled to arrive later this year, according to Błaszczak. South Korea aims to become a significant partner for Poland and signed a $13.7 billion arms deal with Warsaw last year, Seoul's largest ever such deal. The agreement with Poland, a key NATO member, encompasses hundreds of Chunmoo rocket launchers, K-2 tanks, K-9 self-propelled howitzers, and FA-50 fighter aircraft.
Świata są lepsze od samolotów postsowieckich. Samoloty FA-50 to samoloty szkolno-bojowe, a więc będą wykorzystywane do patrolowania nieba nad Polską, również do misji sojuszniczych,